Day one of the garage makeover. Whipped around and done some repairs to the walls. As you can see, there's a couple of marks that I've taken care of with some base coat gyprock stuff. Won't get too technical because everyone in the comments section will be telling me that's the wrong stuff to use. So I'm going to go through and knock the tops off all of these repairs, fill them up again if I have to. Inside here, we're going to go a dark grey colour. Now, keep in mind that I am detailing in here, hence why I've got all these downlights all set up. So, I'm going to go dark grey on the walls. I've got my dark grey click together Swiss Tracks type flooring, which I'm going to do all the flooring with down here once we are finished with the painting. So, first step is to get the walls done. Repairing that section is not really working that well. It's pretty floppy and everything behind there. It's at the front of the garage where cars have been resting against the wall. So basically I'm just going to cut it out and replace the whole section of wall. So you can see my lines there where I've drilled through, I've marked out, picked the center of the studs on each side, going up to a section there, going down to a section just above the skirting there. My oscillating saw is MIA. Someone else has borrowed it, so back to the grinder.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
So now I've begun cutting in. I've primed up all the large areas that I've done the really big repairs. You know, skim coated them, etc., etc. Got them all sanded and got them all top dressed nice. Put that primer blocking sort of coat down. Now I'm cutting in with the colour. We're going with a Taubman's colour, which is called Tory. It's a colour that I've used inside in the media room before, so it looks really, really good with the contrast of white and greys, etc. as well. So that's going to look fantastic, I think. It's a medium to dark grey. You can see from behind me the cutting in stuff. Yes, it's a bit wet. It dries a bit lighter than that, but give you a general idea. It's not going to be this purpley, browny. I don't really know what colour this is. There's a tin in the shed when I bought the house that had garage in it. It had no label on it, so I don't know if it was just a Bitzer. But anyway, we're going grey. We'll get cracking. Stay tuned for part 2, where we get some colour on the walls and get the flooring down and finish off this detail studio and really get things cooking.